In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a milestone in Monday.com. Milestones are a simple but powerful way to highlight key dates in your projects, like deadlines, launch days, or important checkpoints. In Monday.com, they help you and your team quickly see what really matters on the timeline without getting lost in all the smaller tasks. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through identifying the right task, setting it as a milestone, and then making sure it's clearly marked on your board. First, start by opening the board where you're managing your project. Take a moment to scan through your items and identify the specific task you want to mark as a milestone. In Monday.com, each row is called an item, and that's what we'll be working with. It might be something like launch campaign, client sign-off, or release version 1. The key idea is to choose an item that represents a major event or decision point, not just a routine to-do. Once you've found that item on your board, move across the row to locate its date or timeline column. This is where Monday.com stores the schedule information for that task. Go ahead and click directly on the date or timeline cell for that item. This will open up the calendar window, where you usually pick start and end dates. Inside this calendar view, look toward the bottom of the window. You'll see an option that says Add as Milestone. Click that option. By doing this, you're telling Monday.com that this date isn't just any date. It's a significant project milestone. After clicking, choose the specific date you want to use for that milestone. If you're using a timeline, you'll still pick the exact day that represents the important moment, like the final delivery date or go-live day. When you've selected the date, close the calendar window and look back at the board. In the date or timeline cell you just edited, you should now see a small diamond icon. This diamond is the visual indicator that this item has been marked as a milestone. It stands out on your board and also in timeline or Gantt-style views, making it much easier to track key moments in your project. At this point, your milestone is set. You can repeat the same process for any other important tasks you want to highlight, helping you build a clear visual roadmap of the most critical dates in your project.